And yeah, if y'all haven't seen my video on the first kit, like if you haven't seen the video, probably go watch it unless you already have my kit and you already recognize it. But this is the band hammer for my kit. Some of you guys requested it, and I actually didn't have my computer at the time, so I couldn't make it, but now I can. So you're gonna get the file. You're gonna get the file. That's in my Discord server. All right, it's in my Discord. Now you, after you get it, just import it into your game. You're just gonna ungroup everything. Remotes. Where's remotes? Events. When it says remotes, it's talking about I'm probably gonna delete this. It's talking about the one in replicated storage. And then you got replicated storage. What's this? Alright, replicate. Oh my days. What's this? But what the hell? I don't think that was supposed to be it. Wait, no. Oh no, no. Oh. Alright, admin hammer. Just, I already have it, but I'm just gonna do it to show you guys configuration models. Whitelist. I think there's two. Just put yours. Or actually, I don't think you actually need it. I don't think you actually need this. Actually, yeah, I don't think you need that. Server script service and group admin hammer. Yeah, that's admin handler. Let's see. And I think now you should probably have it. Yep, that's. You see, as you see, I got the band hammer. You can delete anything. See. By the way, guys, you guys have been saying the bat doesn't work, but it does. It does work. Just that there's no animation to it. But I don't think you can delete stuff like that. Yeah, you can delete the things. But you can delete it from other people's bases. Just you can delete it from Runaway. That's the only sad part. But other than that, that's the Banhammer tutorial that y'all requested. So, I don't know when's the next tutorial I'm gonna post, but give me some tutorial ideas because I actually do not know what to make. And I'm gonna just drop my Discord server link in the description, or I might drop my own website. I mean, I might put my website in the description so y'all could just join the Discord through there and check my other socials. I think I should do both, but just let me know what you guys want. Whatever you guys want, I'll make a tutorial on it, alright? So make sure to join the Discord to get the man hammer and just let me know some other ideas and to get my kit. Other than that, peace.